Need a new product? Without being constrained by tedious and complicated tasks? Release your creativity and imagination with Live Compose in CATIA V6. Creating a new design sometimes requires starting from scratch and sometimes by modifying an existing design. CATIA Live Compose can address both. In the example here, our objective is to improve the ergonomics of this ophthalmologic slit lamp. We will reuse existing components and combine them with the new ones. It's as simple as adding objects to your shopping cart, like when purchasing online, and checking them out when you're done. The immersive search helps us stay focused by allowing us to get the components we need without having to exit the current window. The product hierarchy is easily modifiable via intuitive interactions such as drag and drop or contextual commands. Throughout the process, we can see what the final product looks like in the center of the table. The innovative assembly level selector allows easy navigation without a cumbersome specification tree. Positioning objects could not be easier. Just move the components close together and they will automatically connect. Even better, if contact faces or axes have been previously published, Live Smart Positioning will automatically find the best solution. These mechanical joints are visualized and can be edited in 3D. To get an immediate feeling of the product's kinematics, sub-assemblies can be moved with respect to their constraints. This first draft of the assembled product can be quickly placed in a realistic situation where the mannequin demonstrates the ergonomics. CATIA Live Compose offers the best interactive experience to search, position and structure components. Drag and drop, automatic constraints creation and immersive search makes it intuitive. Focusing on 3D reduces the number of interactions and improves productivity. Our slit lamp is ready for approval.